This entire work has been done with the private funds of MLA. It has cost us around 8 lakhs, and there was a demand of from people of Nagwa to build this Musundi, the Smashan Bhumi. With the help of the panchayat members, the committee members of this Musundi, Smashan Bhumi, I thank them for their cooperation. Any work, any development, anywhere can be done only with the help, with the cooperation of people around. So people of Nagwa, Arpora Nagwa, the panchayat, everyone has been always supportive for all the development work which has been undertaken in the village of Arpora Nagwa. Now we are also taking the work of development, doing the work of Smashan Bhumi of Arpora. But as far as development is concerned, our MLA is doing what he can do the best, what his conscience is telling him to do. So this is first thing, being human. This is the first thing what we should know. We should take Goa forward, India forward. And whoever are trying to divide people in the name of religion, at least should be shown their door. So once again, thank you all of you all who are gathered here.
आमच्या स्मशानभूमीचे उद्घाटन जाल्ले आसा. खरे जायती कामां आमच्या MLAन करून दिल्ली आसा. सगळे लोकांच्या प्रॉब्लेमा कडेन तेंच्यांनी सॉल्व केल्ली आसा. सगळी प्रॉब्लेमां आमची सॉल्व केल्ली आसा. डेव्हलपमेंट जायते जाल्ले आसा आमच्या गांवांत. तेन्ना फुडें अशेंच जातलें आनी आमचो सदांच सपोर्ट आसतलो आनी सगळ्यांच्या वतीन हांव चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
नागवा ग्रामस्थ लोकांच्या मतीन ही आयज स्मशान भूमी आमची तयार जाल्ली आसा. ती आमच्या सपोर्टान पंचायत आनी पंचायती तर्फे श्री MLA ऑफ कलांगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी श्री मायकल लोबो तेज्या खातीर आमी सगळे नागवा ग्रामस्थ लोकांचे लोक सगळे तेजे चड आभारी आसा. आनी हेज्या फुडें आमकां श्री मायकल लोबो खूब सपोर्ट करतलो. ज्या ज्या कामांक आमी विचारतले तो सपोर्ट करपाची आमची इच्छा आसा.